Today I will show you how to solve a base conversion problem similar to one you might see on your computer science written test. So this involves converting from base 10 to a different base, or converting from a different base to base 10, which also helps you convert from one base to another base. So bases tell you what number system we are working in. So normally we use base 10, which is digits 0 through 9. But base 7 works the exact same way. Every time you move one place to the left, the value gets multiplied by that base. So in base 10, it gets multiplied by 10. In base 7, it gets multiplied by 7. So in this problem, we have 3,462 base 7 plus 241 base 6. So we can start by converting both numbers to base 10 and then add them together, and then we'll see how we can tell which answer choice is equivalent. So we're going to convert each number to base 10, starting with the first one, and we're going to do that by starting with our ones digit, which is a 2, and we'll multiply it by 7 to the power of 0. Then we're going to take our next digit to the left, 6, times 7 to the power of 1, since we multiply by 7 each time we move to the left. Then we have a 4 times 7 squared plus 3 times 7 cubed. And then we just simplify this. So we have 2 plus 42 plus 196 plus 1029. And this is equal to 1269 base 10. We can do the same thing with 241 base 6. So we're going to start with our ones digit, which is a 1 times 6 to the power 0 plus 4 times 6 to the power of 1 plus 2 times 6 squared. And this is equal to 1 plus 24 plus 72, which is equal to 97 base 10. Now, since both numbers are in base 10, we can simply add them together. So this is equal to 1,366 base 10. So that is what our expression in the problem equals to. And now we need to see which answer choice is equivalent. So if we look at our answer choices, choice A's answer is already in base 10, which is 3,703, and that is obviously not equivalent to 1,366, which is why we can eliminate A. For B and C, though, those are in different bases, so we have two options. We can either convert each to base 10 the exact same way we just did for the problem and then see if it's equivalent, but since we already know how to do that, I'll show you a different way, and that is to convert our answer in base 10 to both base 8 and base 7 and see if it's equivalent that way. So I'll start by showing B, which is 5,614 base 8. And we want to see if this number is equivalent. So we're going to start with the answer we got in base 10, and we want to convert it to base 8. So we're going to divide it by base 8, and then we're going to just do normal long division, dividing by 8. So I'm going to do that real quickly. And then we're also going to write in the remainder, and I'm going to circle it so we can see it better. Then we're going to take the whole answer we got, which is 170, and divide that by 8. And I got 21 remainder 2. Then I'm going to do 21 divided by 8, which is 2 remainder 5. And then 2 divided by 8, which is 0 remainder 2. And then I'm going to start with the first remainder I got, which is 6, and then write the answer from right to left. So I'm going to write 6, 2, 5, and then 2. So I got 2,526, which is not equivalent to answer choice B. So we can eliminate that one. Now we have choice C left, which is 3,661 base 7. So let's convert 1,366 to base 7. So I'm going to divide by 7. And then I'm just going to continue the same process. (27) remainder 6. And I'll do 27 divided by 7, which is 3 remainder 6. And then 3 divided by 7, which is 0 remainder 3. And then I'll write the answer from right to left, starting with the first remainder we got. So 1, 6, 6, 3, which is 3,661 base 7, and that is the same as answer choice C. So that's how you know C is our answer. So this is how you solve a base conversion problem. If you keep practicing, you will get faster. It is a very simple process. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.